Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to crop videos on Capcut. First, let's open Capcut on your device, and once it's opened, click on the import button and import your video. Now that your video is loaded, let's move on to cropping it. Tap on the clip in the timeline to highlight it. Here you'll see various options including crop. Tap on crop to enter the cropping menu. You can manually adjust the crop by dragging the corners of the frame, or you can choose from preset aspect ratios. We have here 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube or standard widescreen videos. Nine by 16 for Instagram stories or TikTok. 1:1 for Instagram feed, 4:3 for Instagram portrait, 3:4, and freeform for custom sizes. You can resize it however you want. To crop the video to a custom size, simply drag the corners of the crop box to your desired dimensions. You can reposition the crop box to focus on different parts of the video. Make sure to preview the video to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with the crop, tap the check mark to apply it. Play back your video to make sure the crop looks good throughout. And if you need to make adjustments, you can go back and tweak the crop settings. Finally, when you're satisfied with your cropped video, tap on the export button at the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and export the video to your device. And that's it! You've successfully cropped your video using Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.